Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do a complete rebuild of a YFM80 rear differential. It's going to be the same process for all Badgers and Raptor 80s, but these bearings are specific to the early model YFMs with the 3-bolt differential cover there. So follow along as we press the bearings into these freshly painted cases, lube up the axle, and get our new diff assembled. Let's get it. All right, there we go. Hard part's over. Hammering those bearings in. Not the best way to do it. Would have been easier on an arbor press, but now we just got to finish assembly here. We're going to put a bunch of grease on that axle. Finish putting together this rear end. Let's go. right, man, all finished up. What do you think, Jay? How's it look?
Looks mint.
Yep, all painted, brand new bearings, all greased up. So we'll put this one aside. We'll finish the engine rebuild, and then the last episode will be final assembly. Man, I can't wait to smash you in a race. Tune in.